Hi Stampers, this is Lynn Starzl, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to be using an online exclusive, and it's the Simply Sparkling bundle, and you have the stamp set and the dies, and here is the die guide. You have bubbles and a pop can, soda can, fruit, and a straw. So let's get started. And this is the card that we're doing. I used the holographic trio designer series paper, or no, it's just paper, a foil, and that is available again the week of January 15th, but it's in the annual catalog. And this designer series paper is the Glorious Gingham. And that's in the annual catalog. And I was going to show you what I did with my stamps. I also did this card, and the Your Soda Lightful is one long sentiment. And I needed it like this. So what I did was cut it at an angle. I took the your off, and then when I want to stamp with it all together, it'll just slide right together because it is photopolymer. Just a little perk of having photopolymer. Okay, this one is Berry Burst card base, and it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we have two pieces of the basic white that are 5 1/4 by 4. One's for the inside and the back of the back mat for this. So I think we'll just stick with the same side. This is so pretty. And once you get all the pieces die cut, it really comes together really quickly. Okay, I stamped with StazOn on the holographic paper. They have this, kind of changes colors as you look at it. I don't know if you can see the stamping that I did on it. And then I die cut the, this piece die cuts the bottom, the lid, and the tab. And I use adhesive sheets a lot, and so I did that with this. See how easy this goes. And then we will, I did the cherries, I die cut them, and I used Granny Apple Green and Berry Burst blends to color. Just going to add that on here. And then I stamped birthday wishes, which is in the stamp set. And then it has the dies for this. And then we're going to add some dimensionals behind this. And we're just going to see where we want it placed. And I already stamped So Delightful. And I want to place that behind there. And we'll take these off. And then I want to show you, I put adhesive strips, sheets on the back of my Berry Burst, and then I had some on my foil. And this is what you end up with. And so then I just kind of cut that in half. Oh, so much easier than trying to glue this. But I've done it both ways. And then I used the Tinsel Gems 4-pack. And just added 3. And then I was going to show you on the die, when you die cut these bubbles, you end up with some complete circles. So what I did was, since there's adhesive sheets on the back, it makes it easy. I just added it to my inside. And I stamped with the Best Ever stamp, and then I used the Friend sentiment that's in the set too. And so then that will go on the inside, and the card will be done. So cute. There you go. Happy stamping.